Have you ever opened an app and wanted to close it within seconds? Maybe there were too many buttons on the screen, the navigation felt confusing, or the design simply made it difficult to find what you were looking for. We've all experienced it. The truth is, great digital products aren't just built by developers, they're shaped by designers who understand how people think, behave, and interact with technology. Welcome to the DG Training Podcast. At DG Training, registered as DIGI Training, is the leading training institute permitted by KHDA based in Dubai. We specialize in offering top-notch training courses in graphic design, video editing, finance, digital marketing, programming, and more at affordable prices. At DG Training, we help professionals build practical, job-ready skills through industry-focused training programs. Whether you're starting a new career, upgrading your expertise, or exploring opportunities in the digital economy, we're here to guide you every step of the way. In today's episode, we're talking about why learning Figma has become essential for UI/UX designers in Dubai, how the industry is evolving, what salaries look like in 2026, and why Figma is often the first step toward a successful design career. So let's get started. The growing demand for UI/UX designers in Dubai. Dubai's digital economy continues to expand at an incredible pace. New businesses, startups, e-commerce platforms, fintech companies, and government initiatives are investing heavily in digital experiences. As more services move online, companies need skilled professionals who can create products that are easy to use, visually appealing, and focused on the customer. This is where UI/UX designers play a crucial role. Their job isn't simply to make things look attractive. Their responsibility is to make digital experiences simple, intuitive, and enjoyable. Whether it's a banking app, an online shopping platform, a government service portal, or a food delivery application, businesses want users to accomplish tasks quickly and without frustration. And that's driving strong demand for UI/UX designers across Dubai. Why user experience matters more than ever. Think about the apps you use every day. The best ones feel effortless. You know exactly where to tap, what to do next, and how to complete a task without thinking too much. That's not an accident. Behind every successful product is a team of designers who spend countless hours understanding users, testing layouts, and refining interactions. Today's businesses recognize that good design directly impacts customer satisfaction, user retention, and even revenue. A confusing interface can drive users away. A well-designed experience keeps them engaged. This is why organizations are investing more than ever in skilled UI/UX professionals. Why Figma has become the industry standard. If you're considering a career in UI/UX design, you'll quickly discover one tool that appears almost everywhere. That tool is Figma. Over the past few years, Figma has become the preferred platform for modern design teams around the world. Originally known as a simple design tool, it has evolved into a complete cloud-based platform for designing interfaces, creating prototypes, collaborating with teams, and even supporting AI-powered workflows. One of the biggest reasons behind Figma's popularity is collaboration. Unlike traditional software that requires multiple versions of files and endless email attachments, Figma allows teams to work together in real time. Imagine a designer in Dubai creating a mobile app interface while a product manager reviews it and a developer checks implementation details at the same time. Everyone can collaborate on a single file. Feedback happens instantly, decisions happen faster, and projects move forward more efficiently. That's exactly why so many employers specifically look for candidates with strong Figma skills. How Figma helps new designers build real experience. One of the biggest challenges for beginners is gaining practical experience. Learning design theory is important, but employers want to see what you can actually create. This is where Figma becomes incredibly valuable. With Figma, beginners can start building real projects almost immediately. You can design mobile apps, landing pages, dashboards, e-commerce platforms, booking systems, and interactive prototypes. These projects become the foundation of your portfolio. And in the world of UI/UX design, a strong portfolio often matters more than a long list of qualifications. Employers want proof that you can solve problems and create effective user experiences. Figma gives you the opportunity to demonstrate exactly that. Salary and career opportunities in Dubai. Let's talk about one of the questions most aspiring designers ask. What does the career path actually look like? The good news is that UI/UX design continues to be one of the most promising creative and technology careers in Dubai. Entry-level designers typically earn between 6,000 dirhams and 8,500 dirhams per month. With 3 to 5 years of experience and a strong portfolio, professionals often move into the AED 12,000 to AED 18,000 range. Senior designers, design strategists, and team leads can command salaries of 25,000 dirhams per month or more, depending on the complexity of the products they manage. Specializations can also influence earning potential. Professionals with expertise in fintech, AI-powered design workflows, and advanced Figma capabilities often position themselves for higher-paying opportunities. Major companies and rapidly growing startups continue to invest heavily in design talent, making this an exciting time to enter the industry. Essential skills every UI/UX designer needs. Of course, learning Figma alone isn't enough. Successful designers combine technical skills with problem-solving and creativity. Here are some of the key skills every UI/UX designer should develop. First, understanding users. Research helps designers discover how people interact with products and where they experience difficulties. Second, wireframing and layout planning. Before building an interface, designers need to structure information clearly and logically. Third, prototyping. Creating interactive experiences helps teams test ideas before development begins. Fourth, visual and interaction design. Typography, colors, spacing, and motion all influence how users feel while using a product. And finally, collaboration. Modern design projects involve working closely with developers, product managers, marketers, and business stakeholders. Strong communication skills are just as important as technical expertise. Choosing the right Figma course in Dubai. If you're planning to learn Figma professionally, choosing the right training program matters. Not all courses are created equally. The best programs focus on practical application rather than theory alone. Look for courses that include project-based learning, portfolio development, mentorship, and career support. Building real-world projects helps you gain confidence while creating work that can be showcased to employers. Feedback from experienced instructors can also accelerate your learning and help you understand industry expectations. Many professionals also prefer programs that provide recognized certifications, helping strengthen their resumes and professional profiles. Most importantly, choose a course that prepares you for actual job opportunities rather than simply teaching software features. Why now is the best time to start? The digital economy in Dubai is growing rapidly. Businesses are launching new products, expanding online services, and investing in better user experiences. As this demand continues to increase, skilled UI/UX designers will remain highly valuable. Learning Figma today is more than learning another software tool. It's developing a skill that connects creativity, technology, and business. For many aspiring designers, it's the first step toward a rewarding and future-focused career. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We explored why Figma has become the industry standard for modern UI/UX design, how demand for designers is growing across Dubai, the career opportunities available in 2026, and the essential skills every designer should develop. If you're considering a career in UI/UX design, there has never been a better time to start building your skills. And if you're ready to take the next step, DG Training offers professional Figma training courses and UI/UX design programs designed to help you gain practical experience, build a strong portfolio, and prepare for real-world opportunities. To learn more, visit dgtrainingland.ae and explore the courses that can help launch your design career. If you found this episode informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with anyone interested in design, technology, and digital careers. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep designing better experiences.